Hello everyone, my name is Dolly and today I have a wonderful imagine that I'm a hummingbird. I will live in a coconut fruit and a tree on the beach. I will cut it in half, eat all the white side in it, and I will cut a half of a half it and glue it in. I will put a little stuff in it to it not be so hard. And when the snow comes, I will do. I will use a little fur leaf. Like I'll use a leaf. I will glue in it. Then I will put on fur in it. It will be a very warm. And when I'm a hummingbird, my favorite fruit is nectar. When I see some nectar in a cage, I would not go in it because it is a trap. And I'm inside the cage and all my whole life. So I will get food in a garden nearby. So today I talk about my imagine a hummingbird. I think you can write about your kind of bird. Then you will write where your nest will be and where your nest is made of. Where will you look for food? What will you eat? If you see some fish in a cage, what will you do? So please subscribe and write imagine that you're a bird, kind of bird. So bye. See you next time. Bye.